I'm your host Navneel Das and I will be teaching you how to make your own HTML editor in Winform C++. It's my default form which I have created. So let's resize it. As you want you can resize it. Now go to your toolbox and type menu strip in the search box and you will get your menu strip item. This in the menu strip we will write file and then in the file we will write exit. So let's go back to your toolbox and search for split container and drag and drop to your form. Okay, it will give you two panels, one panel 1 and panel 2. So first of all we will go to the properties of this split container. So let's in the properties now go to splitter distance and choose something like 500 as you want to be look like half and half. Now what we now in the same properties for of the split container you will find something like okay, I'm finding it. Here is splitter is fixed, so choose that false to move the splitter around. Now go back to your toolbox and browse for button, search for button and drag and drop button to both of the panel. This button will just for a text look and go to the properties tab of the button and rename it. Rename the text only. I'm not renaming the button but just renaming the text, like button 1 is my text editor's button, so I will type here text editor, and in the same properties I will go to my dock and choose it to be full at the top. Now same for the button 2, but this I will choose the dock at top, and for the text it is my designer view, so I will just type here view and go back. I will go back to my toolbox and browse for web browser and drag and drop it to my panel 2. It will automatically be fully filled in the dock, fully filled in the panel. So just browse another thing from the toolbox, reach text box and drag and drop it to your panel 1 and go to the properties tab, selecting the rich text box and in the dock choose it to be filled. And now our designer view has been completed. Just click over the rich text box and properties. So in the event tab you must double click the text changed and it will open your mm, programming file. So just in this function that reach text box text change, we will write web browser 1 point web browser 1 pointer document text is equal to rich text box 1 pointer text. Okay, basically it do that whatever we write in the text box it goes to the web browser documents text, i.e. the HTML text. Now I will save this and go back to my design. It's being refreshed. Now I will just click file and exit, and in this I will write this arrow pointer and close. All done. Now just let's test it out. It's my first time to be running this, so it can take a few minutes. It's building. Here it's here it start. So here we can check this out. Now whatever we write here, it you can see in the web browser. So for example, if I write a paragraph and type here in something like this, or we we change the font color of this. Font color is equal to, and choose red, and you can check this out, the color is changing, and some whatever the HTML code you will write here will be displayed in this web browser. So its font is quite very small, so we will change this font size, closing the form and selecting your text rich text box, and left on right click and properties, and go back to your properties, and in here you can find your font. Just select it, wait till it's being open. So here you get your size, change it to as you want your size, and click OK. Now save this off and run this again. Here a form started. Now now you can check this, my size has increased and all that. So let's all done guys. Let's meet in our next video, in which I will be showing you to I will be showing you like edit this color, change this background color, and all background color, and saving this text in the HTML file and reading the HTML file. Make our app look like this, in which we can slide to set our text view and web view size, as well as we can change the font color, background color, and change our font, and we can open an HTML file and save an HTML file. That's all.